NICE Robotic Automation automates mundane and repetitive tasks, which are performed daily by front and back office employees. By automating these tasks, processing time is dramatically reduced, and employees are relieved from handling them, thus freeing them to focus on higher value work. RPA bots perform any given task quickly, flawlessly, and can work tirelessly around the clock. They are a workforce multiplier, increasing throughput capacity to the satisfaction of the enterprise and its customers. In this demo, we'll demonstrate some of the NICE RPA capabilities by showing how it relieves IT administrators of repetitive tasks. This demo is based on an actual financial institution case study. We'll first show you the manual process flow, then let our robots take over and do it automatically. The story begins as the LOB supervisor submits a ticket to the IT administrator in order to add a new user to his group. The IT administrator first needs to search for the employee in the database. Although the process of moving an employee between groups is a very straightforward task, it takes him a while to do and requires navigating between multiple screens and applications. In addition, when there's a high number of steps in a process, there is a bigger chance that the IT administrator will make mistakes that he'll need to later correct, or he could get distracted and disengage with the process, making it even longer to complete. Now, the IT administrator needs to erase the user from his previous group, and then add him to the new group. Once the change of work group is completed, the IT administrator needs to send a notification email to the relevant employee. As you have just seen, this process involves numerous manual steps, taking about 4 minutes to move a single employee. Obviously, the IT administrator has to complete many of these tasks every day. Any manual process involving so many steps, cutting and pasting of data between several organizational systems, and needing to adhere by internal company data rules is also prone to errors, and this process is no exception. It is also very mundane and clerical in nature. It does not involve any decision-making points. Over time, such tasks are bound to drive down the IT administrator engagement level and motivation. Now, let's see how NICE Robotic Automation handles the same process. Once the robot has started to run the process, it is clear to see how quickly and flawlessly it executes the same process that we just completed manually. Instead of 4 minutes, it clocks the full process in 14 seconds. That's 16 times faster than the manual process. But here's the catch. We actually ran the robot in slow mode to allow you to follow the different steps. Now let's run it in real-world speed. The full process was completed in only 3 seconds. No errors, no distractions, and 80 times faster than the manual process. By handing over this repetitive process to a robot, we also allow IT administrators to focus on other activities, which require their special skills and are more engaging for them. The robotic automation solution comes with a built-in framework, which includes monitoring, reporting, and alerting capabilities. In the control room, you can keep track of tasks queues to see what's being executed, what's already completed, and what's waiting in the queue. Each robot has tasks assigned to it. These tasks can be prioritized, so the more critical ones will be executed first. Also, the robots are not limited to the types of tasks they can perform, and any robot can execute any type of task. Using the dashboard, you can gain insight into the robot's success rates and current state, as well as have the ability to pause and resume their work. This gives you full control of the robots and their activities at any given time. In case a robot is unable to complete a task for any reason, it can send an alert, which will pop up on one of the employee's desktops, using NIVA, the attended automation bot. This employee can then solve the issue, report it in the NIVA pop-up, and send it back to the back-end bot to complete the process. This is a best practice for handling exceptions. Watching all these active robots, each handling a process, all working simultaneously, you can get a real sense of the power and efficiency that robotic process automation can bring to your organization by saving time and money, eliminating errors, and keeping your employees focused and engaged.